All right, to repath your texture files in a scene you may have, for example, downloaded off of the internet like I did here with this pretty popular attic scene. I will post a link to this file within the description for this video, by the way. But once I did download it and started working in it, I realized that none of the materials assigned to these objects had their textures showing up on them in my viewport or in my render. And so to resolve this, all you have to do is kind of repoint the textures to the location that you've placed them on your own local drive, be that your internal hard drive or, in my case, my external hard drive. So to do this, you just have to go to Windows at the top of your Maya UI and then go down to General Editors, and then from there go down to File Path Editor. So once you click on that, that window will pop up, and as you'll see here, there's a warning icon, and below that there's two error icons indicated by the red X's. Now if you open up any of these drop downs, you'll see the associated textures erroring out right there. And so what we want to do here is shift click both of these and then click on Repath Files. Now you'll see this Repath window pop up, and now you just want to browse to, again, wherever you've placed that downloaded folder or directory onto your local drive. In my case, I put it on my external hard drive, and it's placed within an asset library directory and then within this scenes folder, and you'll see it right there, 37 Vickery Attic. And now I know that the textures are located within the source images directory because I just navigated myself to that on my Finder within my Mac. And for you, that might be your Windows Explorer if you're using Windows or what have you. So we want to navigate to that directory here. So just double click on that and then you go Set. Now from there, I chose to click off the search subdirectories for files. This will just make sure to search any subdirectories, folders, or what have you that might be located within that main directory that you specified here, and it'll pull out any textures within those as well. So now we want to click Repath. And now we'll start to see the viewport populate with the textures that we were previously missing. That should now be pathed correctly within the scene that we're working in. And there we go. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm hoping to have another video out in the not too distant future. It's been a little while since my last one. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.